Alright, welcome to the channel, SemperFi Mobile Auto Repair. I got called in for this 2015 Nissan Altima. Customers requesting the radio head to be replaced. That's this bad boy here. As you guys can see, the screen is broken. So we're going to go ahead and replace this bad boy. We're going to start off by disconnecting this trim here. Just going to pull it down. Just a little bit. That should give us plenty of space to grab this trim here. And then we're just going to pull on it. And we're going to do the same with this one here. There we go. Now we got these screws here. So we're going to grab those. Got 4. So we can pick this up. We're going to disconnect this. That way we can, so it won't get in the way. Just going to squeeze these tabs here. Okay, come on. Come on, baby. All right. Hold on, let me see if I can get it. The tab is on the inside. That's this one here. There we go. Put this up here. It's out the way. Get this. We should be able to leave this here. Let me see. Okay. So, got these bolts over here. Come on. Should be able to pull this radio head out. Okay. I'm going to go behind, disconnect all these wires. There's a tab on the bottom. There's a little tab right here. You just squeeze it. This one has a side tab. Just squeeze the side and pull it out. This one's on top over here. This one as well. See. And this one. There we go. So you're able to slide this unit out. And now I'm going to disconnect this bad boy here. These are Torx. Alright, so we're going to remove these Torx from this bracket. We're going to leave this one in place because this is actually going to get attached to the other radio head. Should be able to just move this, just slide it. Let's get the other radio head. That's this one. All right, So now we're going to get this bad boy installed and put it in here. Line up the bolts. There we go. Spin this around. Okay. Tighten this bad boy up now. Just want to snug them up a little bit. So remove this. We'll need the Phillips bit. Alright, so we mounted the brackets. So now we're going to go ahead and do the connections in the back. So we'll start off with this one to the bottom. And these are all part of the radio. These two remaining. Okay. So now we're gonna push this back here, slide this. It's got two little dowels. There's one here, one here. That lines up with this. So we're just gonna line them up. There we go. Make sure it falls back in place. Okay. There we go. There's some dowels down here as well. Okay. Get the screws. Okay. Nice and tight in there. Now we're going to connect these. This is for the airbag sensor. Okay. And get these vents back in there. There we go. I'm going to set this back in here as well. Alright, there we go. Just slide it in there. Now we're going to put these bolts, but before we do that, I'm going to power up the vehicle. Just make sure it's got power on the radio head. All right, so thank you for joining me. That concludes the installation of this radio head here. Once again, you have any questions, by all means, feel free to reach out to me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys have a good one.